Hello and welcome to your 10-minute meditation to take a break, to unwind and reset. And I promise you, in 10 minutes' time, you're going to feel calmer, more peaceful, and ready to take on the rest of your day. So get yourself nice and comfortable. Keep your spine relatively straight but nice and relaxed. Hands resting on your thighs or in your lap. Maybe with your palms facing up. And whatever's going on around you right now, that's okay. Any noise, any bustle, any distraction. We're just going to let everything just be there while we take a few minutes to go within ourselves. Because you don't need perfect silence. You don't need the perfect place to meditate. Wherever we are right now, we can just stop. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the air around you. Take a long, slow, deep breath in, letting it fill every corner of your being. And then make your exhale long and slow and deliberate. Breath flowing in and out in your own time. Nice deep breaths. Long, slow, relaxed exhales. Relax your shoulders. And relax your jaw. How are you feeling right now? Are you feeling comfortable or uncomfortable? Is your mind busy or is it relatively quiet? How's your day going? Is it a good day? Is it a challenging day? Whatever's presenting itself to you right now in your body, your mind, and your feelings about today, it's all okay. There's nothing you need to change. There's nothing you need to try and push away. Just acknowledge how you're feeling right now. Notice any strong sensations in your body. Pass your attention through your body, noticing whatever you find. Maybe certain areas are more talkative than others. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, just notice how you're feeling and allow whatever you find just to be there. Are you aware of any more subtle sensations in the body? Can you sense the energy of the body? That very subtle background tingle or vibration. Or is it just very strong sensations you can feel? Or maybe you don't feel very much at all. And that's okay. We're just checking in. Taking a break, noticing what we find, and allowing it to be there. And what about your thoughts? Are thoughts coming and going? Are there certain thoughts that just don't want to let go at the moment? That's very normal. We can often find ourselves repeating things, replaying things, or thinking about things in the future. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, see if maybe you can take just a little step back from all of those thoughts. Putting your attention more firmly on your breath. Noticing the breath in, noticing the breath out. And as the thoughts come and go, as they will, just let them come and then pass on by like the clouds in the sky or leaves floating on a stream. Keep your attention on your breath. Notice it flowing in. Notice it flowing out. Each time your mind wanders, bring it back to the breath. Kindly, gently. Because everything's okay. Everything's allowed. And for the final part of this meditation, bring your attention to your forehead. Keep your eyes nice and relaxed. Just raise them up a little. And then breathe in and breathe out. Keeping your attention there. And I like to imagine a soft and gentle light glowing there in my forehead. A kind and peaceful light. A steady light or a flickering light like a candle. Breathing into that space, breathing into that light. Maybe a gentle smile raising the corners of your mouth. Your breath very gentle now. That light softly glowing. Good. Now drop any attention on your body, your breath, or that light, and just let everything simply be exactly as it is. Good. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute meditation. 10-minute meditations are so very important to your day. So I always encourage you to take the 10 by 10 challenge. And that is simply to meditate for 10 minutes a day for the next 10 days. And this here playlist on the screen is the perfect one to help you do just that. And I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.